When you have tried everything in your path, you tried to do what you needed to do, what you had to do. You pushed through. You had endurance. You had perseverance. You gave your best. You did your best. But you see that the outcome is not going to be what it need to be. It's not going to bring you any value. There's no success linked to what you are trying to do. Then you know that is when you can let it go, stand back, and give it up. But before that, there's no excuse. You keep on trying. You keep on doing your best, delivering your best, give your best. Only when you can see that what you have tried is not going to work out, not after once or twice, but after you've done everything, then you know it's time to move on to the next project, to the next thing that is ahead of you. Because when you try something and you see it's not going to work, but you keep on, then it holds you back of the next thing that can bring you so much value and also bring you success.